Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance spot trading. To begin, navigate to the Binance website or open the mobile application. Spot trading allows you to buy or sell digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum directly with other users at the current market price. Binance provides a robust platform for these transactions, offering hundreds of trading pairs and typically very low trading fees, often around 0.1% per trade. Before you can trade, you need to fund your Binance account. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Tether, from another wallet. Alternatively, you can deposit fiat currency using methods like bank transfers or credit and debit cards, depending on your region. Always double-check the deposit address and network to ensure your funds arrive safely, as incorrect details can lead to permanent loss. Now, let's place a trade. Go to the spot section and select your desired trading pair, for example, BTC versus USD. You can choose a market order to buy or sell immediately at the best available price, or a limit order to set a specific price you wish to trade at. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, review the details, and then click Buy or Sell to execute your order. After placing trades, you can monitor your open orders and review your complete trade history in your account dashboard. Consider using advanced order types like stop loss to manage potential risks, automatically selling an asset if it drops to a certain price. When you are ready, you can withdraw your funds to an external cryptocurrency wallet or convert them back to fiat currency and withdraw to your bank account, following the platform's security protocols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.